Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I made this simple and easy chicken curry using my own method. So if you want to see how I achieved this, do not go away, keep on watching. So here's the chicken I'll be using for my curry. I will just go ahead and wash my chicken now, either with salt or vinegar, anyone you have. So after washing, I'll be marinating my chicken with these ingredients. Here I have this chicken mix. Here I have my paprika. I have my stock cube in the powdered form. And here I have my granulated garlic powder. And here I have my salt and extra virgin olive oil. So let's marinate the chicken. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow. Yeah guys, I forgot to mention curry. It's a very important ingredient in this recipe. So here are the other ingredients we will be needing. Here I have onion, garlic. I'll be using 2 cloves. Here I have my carrots, 1 carrot. Here I have my green bell pepper and the red bell pepper. Here I have my flour. This you can use cornstarch or coconut milk. I have none of that, so I'm using all-purpose flour. So I have my paprika, my curry, my extra virgin olive oil, salt, and I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below. All my vegetables have been washed and diced. So as you can see the way I cut my onion, because I'm not much of an onion fan, you can dice yours. So now the next step is to put a pot on fire and add in some extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if that's what you have. Next, I'll be stir frying my onion and my garlic for at least a minute or 2. Next, I'll be adding in my diced potatoes and carrot to stir fry a bit too, to have that crunchiness. Maybe for like 3 to 5 minutes, I'll stir fry it. Next, I'm going to take them out and keep them aside to create space for my chicken that I'm going to be stir frying a bit in a while. So here's my marinated chicken, which I left for about 15 minutes to marinate. I'm just going to stir fry it a bit here. Stir fry it till you see it go a bit brownish. So after about 5 to 7 minutes of stir frying, I'm just going to add in my diced bell peppers. Next, I'm going to pour in back my potatoes and carrots and stir everything together. Add in water to cook, not too much. Now I'm going to go in my salt, curry, peppers, and garlic powder, and basically all the ingredients I need. Note, like I said, curry is essential for this recipe. Add in a good amount. And oh, I almost forgot my stock cube. Add in stock cube too. Stir and cover to cook for another 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, as you can see, it is boiling. Now this is when we need our all-purpose flour, and like I said, you can use cornstarch or coconut milk. So now I'm just going to get a small bowl, adding a bit of flour inside and adding a bit of water to dissolve it. Just going to stir and stir until it is smooth, not too watery and not too thick. Try to mix it well so your chicken curry doesn't have lumps. Now start adding in your mixture bit by bit until you get the consistency you want. As for me, I don't like my chicken curry too thick nor too light, just average. So this is the consistency I want. Cover to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And oh, I added a boiled egg. This is actually optional. It is up to you. I just love egg in my curry. So guys, as you can see, our chicken curry is ready. This can be eaten with white rice, or you can just eat it like that. Hence the reason why there is potatoes inside. Though I love mine a lot with white rice, it's the best. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.